Every year, millions of people come face to face with danger. Not from wars, not from natural disasters, but from animals. Some are massive predators. Others are so small you barely notice them, yet all of them can kill. Today, we're counting down the most dangerous animals in the world, based on real death statistics and the survival facts that could save your life. The most dangerous animal on Earth is not a lion. It's not a shark, it's the mosquito. Mosquitoes kill over 1 million people every year worldwide. They don't kill with strength or speed, they kill by spreading disease. Malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and West Nile virus are all transmitted by mosquitoes. In many parts of the world, a single bite can be deadly. Survival fact: wear long sleeves, use insect repellent, and eliminate standing water where mosquitoes breed. Snakes kill an estimated 100,000 people every year. Some species, like the inland taipan, have venom powerful enough to kill dozens of humans with one bite. Snake venom attacks the nervous system and blood, causing paralysis, internal bleeding, and organ failure. Survival fact: if bitten, stay calm and keep the affected limb still. Do not cut the wound. Do not try to suck out the venom. Seek medical help immediately. Modern antivenom saves lives, but only if you get treatment fast. The saltwater crocodile is the largest living reptile on Earth. Some grow longer than 20 feet. These animals are ambush predators. They wait patiently beneath the water's surface. When they strike, they use the infamous death roll, spinning their victim underwater until bones break. Survival fact: never swim in waters where crocodiles are known to live. If attacked, target the eyes. It is the crocodile's most sensitive area. Hippos may look calm and slow, but they are among the most aggressive animals on Earth. Hippos kill around 500 people every year in Africa. They are extremely territorial and can run faster than humans on land. Survival fact: never get between a hippo and the water. If a hippo charges, run in a zigzag pattern to avoid a direct attack. Elephants are intelligent and emotional animals, but when threatened, they can become deadly. They kill hundreds of people every year, mostly by trampling. Many attacks happen when humans enter elephant territory or approach young calves. Survival fact: always keep a safe distance. If an elephant flares its ears or trumpets loudly, slowly back away. Sharks are one of the most feared animals on Earth, but the truth may surprise you. Sharks kill fewer than 10 people per year worldwide. Most attacks happen due to mistaken identity, not intentional aggression. Survival fact: avoid swimming at dawn or dusk. Do not wear shiny jewelry. If you encounter a shark, stay calm and maintain eye contact. Dogs are responsible for tens of thousands of human deaths each year, mostly due to rabies. Rabies is a viral disease that attacks the nervous system and is almost always fatal once symptoms appear. Survival fact: avoid stray animals. If bitten, wash the wound immediately with soap and water, and seek medical treatment as fast as possible. Scorpions kill thousands of people every year, especially children and the elderly. Their venom attacks the nervous system and can cause respiratory failure. Survival fact: shake out shoes and clothing before wearing them. If stung, seek medical care immediately. The most dangerous animals are not always the largest. Sometimes they're the ones you barely notice. Understanding wildlife is the key to survival. Respect animals. Know the risks. Because in nature, danger often comes without warning. Subscribe for more dangerous animal facts and documentaries. The next video should be coming out after Christmas, so if you guys enjoy this type of content, please let me know in the comments. And if you have any tips on how to make it better, please let me know.